iPhone 15 Pro, Aerospace-Grade Titanium Design, Promotion Display, Pro Camera System. The iPhone 15 Pro, a powerful and stylish smartphone. Introduction. The iPhone 15 Pro is the latest addition to Apple's lineup of smartphones. With its strong and light aerospace-grade titanium design, textured matte glass back, and contoured edge titanium band, this device is not only stylish but also durable. In this article, we will explore the key features of the iPhone 15 Pro and why it stands out in the market. Design and display. The iPhone 15 Pro features a ceramic shield front, making it tougher than any smartphone glass. It is also splash, water, and dust resistant, ensuring the device can withstand various conditions. The 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display with promotion technology enhances graphics performance by ramping up refresh rates to 120Hz when needed. The always-on display allows users to glance at their lock screen without having to tap it, keeping them informed throughout the day. Performance and efficiency. Powered by the A17 Pro chip with a 6-core GPU, the iPhone 15 Pro delivers exceptional performance and efficiency. Users can enjoy all-day battery life, thanks to its incredible efficiency. Whether you are using the device for work or entertainment purposes, you can rely on its long-lasting battery to keep up with your demands. Camera system. The iPhone 15 Pro offers a Pro camera system that provides incredible framing flexibility with its 7 lenses. The 48 megapixels main camera allows users to capture super high-resolution photos with enhanced color and detail. With features like ultra-wide and telephoto lenses, users can explore their creativity and capture stunning shots from different perspectives. The device also offers next-generation portraits with focus and depth control, allowing users to create professional-looking photos. Additionally, the iPhone 15 Pro provides up to 10x optical zoom range, enabling users to capture distant subjects without compromising on quality. Safety and connectivity. The iPhone 15 Pro prioritizes safety with features like emergency SOS via satellite, crash detection, and roadside assistance via satellite. These features provide users with peace of mind during emergencies. Additionally, the device offers up to 29 hours of video playback, ensuring users can enjoy their favorite content for extended periods. The inclusion of USB-C supports faster transfers with USB 3, making it convenient for users to transfer files quickly. The Face ID feature provides enhanced security and convenience by allowing users to unlock their device with a simple glance. Conclusion. The iPhone 15 Pro is a powerful and stylish smartphone that offers a range of features to enhance the user experience. With its strong and light aerospace-grade titanium design, ceramic shield front, and durable construction, this device is built to last. The Pro camera system and high-resolution display enable users to capture stunning photos and enjoy exceptional graphics performance. Additionally, the iPhone 15 Pro prioritizes safety and connectivity, ensuring users are protected and can stay connected wherever they go. Upgrade to the iPhone 15 Pro for an unparalleled smartphone experience.